Hi, welcome back. In this video, you'll configure a navigate task. This task allows users to navigate from one page to another within the application. Open your canvas. Create a page that includes 3 input fields, a radio group, and a continue button at the bottom. Select the continue button and navigate to the events section in the properties panel. Under the on-click event, click on the plus icon. Click Create New, and name the task group navigate_to_login and click on Save. Now, search for the task named Navigate. Drag and drop the Navigate task into the execution section. In the destination screen, select the login page from the list of available screens. Click Select, then Save, and finally click Apply. Now, click on Save, and commit the changes to finalize the changes. Go to Deploy section and click on Deploy to push the latest updates to your application. Now, go to the Downloads section and click Launch Web Application to open your app in a browser. Test the flow by clicking the Continue button and you will be navigated to the login page as configured. Thanks for watching and happy learning.